welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a house update. So if you want to see what we've been doing to the house so far, then please keep watching. I've had so many house updates uploaded to my channel, so if you want to see what we've done to the house, what the house looked like before, then please check out obviously the house tour, the room tours and the previous house updates so you can keep up to date. But if you are new to my channel, please check out the rest of my house update videos so you guys can keep catch up. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Before I show you what we have done to the house, I just want to say please apologise to the way I look right now. The day I'm filming this is actually a Tuesday. I have got work and I am 2 till 10 this week, so I've got to leave at 1:30. So please don't be alarmed the way I look right now. I know my hair's a mess and I know I've got no makeup on, but I'm rushing to get this film done and edit some videos. I've got housework to do and get ready for work as well, and housework to eat as well. So it's a bit of a manic day today. But yeah, I wanted to just quickly add that in just to apologise for the way I look right now. So I'm going to show you what we have done to the house. Sorry to interrupt this video. I just want to clarify that when I did film this video, it was a weekday. So I did have work. I was 2 till 10. So I had to leave my house at 1:30. So I did film this during the week. It is now Sunday the 9th of August. I'm editing this video so it can go up at 6 PM today. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. So for those of you who are new to my channel, hi and welcome. You guys are probably obviously are watching this now, but you need to go back previous house updates just to keep up. But this hallway is kind of 90% done. So we have got this lovely carpet all the way down through the hallway, all the way up the stairs and all the way up in the landing as well. I'm not going to show you the landing because it's exactly the same. The only rooms we haven't done yet for carpet is the spare bedroom and our bedroom, but we are focusing on downstairs first. So we wanted to get the hallway, landing and stairs done first, but this hallway is 90% done because we've got to get a new doormat. This coat hanger will be gone. That all our coats are now going to go into a cupboard that is in the dining room. These pictures here, that one and that one, will be taken down and put in my beauty room, and we're going to have some Desenio prints up here. So we're going to have nice Desenio prints up here, and then we're going to have a shoe rack here. We was going to have a radiator cover, but because it's such a small and narrow hallway, we're not going to have one. And also we're going to get a keys hook as well, so we can hang our keys as soon as we come in. But yeah, it is 90% down to the hallway is nearly finished. Now, I think Nathan might take that off weekend if he's got the day off. He's going to take that off weekend and then obviously move the coats because he's got his own little project, and I will tell you about that throughout this video. So if you are an OG to this channel, then you would know that this door here, I'm not going to shut it, this door here leads into the dining room and living room. Please excuse the bag and the box at the moment. I will explain that in a minute. But this is our living room. I'll just do a pan so you guys can see what it's looking like. It is 95% done, almost finished. We've just got a few more bits to add in. So obviously I showed you the carpet. Oh, and the carpet throughout the house is from EP Carpets. I'm gonna try and find their website. If I can, I will leave it in the description box below for you guys. If not, then I will leave their link down on Facebook so you can go and check them out. They also do laminate flooring as well, not just carpets. I showed you the sofa, so you don't need to see that again. But this little setup here. So we got the radiator cover from Amazon. I cannot remember what the name of it, but it's an extra large radiator cover. These come in small, medium, large and extra large. And we have the extra large, which absolutely looks lovely and we love it so much. These flower pots here, they are the mirrored cube pots with the fake flowers. I will again leave them in the description box below for you guys, but these are absolutely stunning. I can't believe how stunning they are. So I'm going to get 2 for the bedroom and 2 for the beauty room. Then this, so some of you might have seen this all over Instagram, Facebook, but this is the crushed jeweled makeup brush holder, but we're using it for our remote controls. We absolutely love it. It's stunning. It sets the room off really nicely, and I will be getting a few more for my beauty room to hold my brushes in. Next is this diamond chihuahua. It is absolutely stunning, caked in glitter, mind you. Again, I will leave it in the description box below for you guys. I got it from Amazon. Oh, we got the makeup brush holder as well from Amazon as well, I forgot to mention. But yeah, we got this from Amazon. Be careful if you ever do buy one, please be careful. It is caked in glitter, so when you touch it you get caked in glitter. And I'm not lying, look, I will prove that to you, right? Can you see it? That's just me touching it. Okay, so please be careful if you ever get anything like this. It is caked in glitter, so you will be caked in glitter. And obviously got another flower pot there. Nothing has really been added up here. Please excuse our face masks at the top. And then, as you can tell, we have a lying down leopard, again exactly the same as the chihuahua. Sorry about the lighting, I'm using natural lighting right now, so please bear with that. But yeah, this is the diamond leopard. It's absolutely stunning, again caked in glitter, so please be careful when you touch it. So last thing that's been added to the living room has been this. So if you're an OG and you have seen that I had a different glitter plate sitting here, well, I saw these and I thought, you know what, that actually looks stunning, plus it goes on really really well with the makeup brush holder, well, the remote control holder. So I thought, you know what, I will buy one and see what it looks like, and it looks perfect. It absolutely looks really really perfect. Sorry about our Carex sitting there chilling, but these flowers, the vase, the crystals in the vase and the crystals in the placemat absolutely looks so perfect, and I love the way it's set out as well. It's lovely. And for those of you who have so many questions about this ladder unit, this ladder unit is from eBay, so please go and check it out. It's actually a bathroom ladder unit, but we use it for our living room. It looks absolutely stunning, plus you can put so much stuff on there as well. But yeah, the living room is 95% done. We've still got another sofa to go there, a storage box to go behind the sofa for extra throws and pillows and cushions and everything else, like a little table, a unit, something going there, a rug and a new TV unit, and then that's it. Obviously, like candles, pictures from Decenio that we've seen and everything else, a couple of fans and stuff. But yeah, these almost done. So in the dining room, nothing has really changed. Sorry for the lighting as well, but there's just a couple of things that's been added. We have got this stunning new table runner. So this one I think is from eBay. I think Nathan bought it, but I will try and find it if I can and leave it in the description box below for you guys. It's a crushed velvet, so it's absolutely so nice and soft, and we love it so much. And it's got this great big jeweled bit at the middle of it. It's absolutely lovely. Please excuse my little candle and clip just chilling there in the background. It looks absolutely stunning and we love it. Then we have another radiator cover. So again, this was from Amazon. This is the extra large one, and again, must say about these as well, if you have tall radiators, so what I mean by tall, if they are higher than normal, then I please advise you to be careful when you go and buy these, because they do hang off the floor a little bit. I'll just show you what I mean. See what I mean? It just hangs off the floor a little bit. So please be careful, make sure you get the measurements right and everything else about these radiator covers. Other than that, they are absolutely stunning. But yeah, there's nothing really been added to the dining room as well. Please excuse my bag and clothes. I have got work later on, and this is a little sneak peek of what's going to happen in the garden. If you're wondering what this is, Nathan is actually building our very own waterfall, feature waterfall sort of thing, with all of these balls. We've still got to get bigger balls as well, but he's making our very own waterfall for the garden. So that is a little sneak peek for when I do the garden tours. So you've seen it here first. And then in the kitchen, it has finally done. Finally, it is taken absolutely forever to finish this off. So our counter has now been finished. So it is our grey adhesive paper. It looks absolutely stunning. We love it so much. It has taken us forever because the size of the paper was a bit too small, so we got to try and do as best as we could. But we think we've done a really good job. It goes really, really well with our little kettle, toaster and coasters, yeah, little canisters and everything else. It goes so well. Kitchen is almost done as well. We are changing these handles as well, so we're changing these into diamante ones. That's going to be changed into a nice silver one. We're getting a nice new bin. We're going to get a new microwave, and then it's just storage. I'm going to get a silver sink as well, so please excuse the black sink at the moment. We are going to get a silver one, so please be aware. But other than that, it's looking really, really nice. We absolutely love it. I will do you a pan around so you guys can have a look. It's absolutely lovely. Excuse the bathroom. But yeah, it's absolutely stunning. We've still got to get, like, obviously new tea towels, new oven gloves, the storages and everything else. Oh, and also I have done this. It's not finished. Don't, please be aware, it's not finished. But do you see the grey non-slip mat? I've actually added some in there because the cupboards are too big. I had to overlap them, so I had to do one side. I don't know if you guys can see this, one side and then another. But yeah, I've done that to the drawers in here as well, all in here, so it looks a bit more better, so we don't have any stains or anything. Once I've done them 3 drawers and that, I want to go and move on and do this drawer. I'm not going to show you because it's absolutely a mess in there at the moment. I want to do that drawer and I didn't have enough. But yeah, we are getting loads of like storage units and everything else to go in here. And I've actually done in here as well. So I've done that one up there as well. And that's a little sneak peek of organisations as well. But yeah, it's absolutely looking really, really nice and lovely, and I cannot wait for it to all be finished. Like I said, downstairs is almost finished, kitchen's almost done, living room's almost done. But yeah, it is looking so nice and we are loving it so much. So guys, that has been my house update video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. If you have any questions at all, it doesn't matter if it's about the house, if it's about me, if you want to know a bit more about me, or if you just want to know where I've got things, then please leave everything in the comment section below. Everything that I have showed you throughout this video will be in the description box below as well, so please check that out. Is there anything else I've got to say before I end this video? I don't think so. But yeah, once a room has completely finished, I will do a complete brand new house tour or room tour. So please keep an eye out for that. I think the first brand new tour will be the living room, I'm hoping, because it is almost done and I cannot wait to show you guys. So if you have liked this video, give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell as well, so you are notified every time I upload. I can see that loads of people have been viewing my channel. Why don't you subscribe? Come and join the Mad family, i.e. my Mad family, and you can be joining my Mad family as well. So if you like what you see, then please give it a great big like and subscribe, and I will love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye guys.